Adam Nekanecki, farm here by Buckingham, Iowa, which is just south of Waterloo, Cedar Falls, about 15 miles. And here on the family farm that's been in the family a little over 100 years, always looking for ways to improve things, trying to stand out, to make things better. And been strip tilling for 6 years now and trying to improve that and improve our soils by doing that. Been trying different bars, different row units, and still getting all that figured out. Trying different planter setups. Just bought this planter last fall, or this last spring. Got it bought and got it ready just in time for this spring planting. Biggest thing, this thing was set up pretty much how I'd set up any planter that if I had the money, I'd set it up. I like the forward folding bar. It's an old Deere 7000 bar. I like the forward folding for the just compact and I'd say lightweight if you get into muddy conditions. When I came out of college, I worked at Kinze for 3 years, and so I'm biased to Kinze and their units. And so it had the Kinze units on it already, and came with the Yetter trash whippers on there. Has the precision planting downforce cylinders on it, and that works nice just to make sure residue's cleared out in the strips. Has the Graham electric drives, which was one of the biggest selling points for us, especially with seed corn, as we doing say different rates. You're planting female at one rate and the male rows at another rate on the same planter. You can vary the rates as you want, and even just to be able to variable rate the across the field in commercial corn. Little things like with the Mudsmith gauge wheels, we ended up putting the furrow closers, the closing wheels on it this spring. That we ran them on our old Kinze bar that worked really well. But ran it this spring. We're very happy with how it worked. Has the precision planting vac meters in it, and very happy with the stand that they gave. Very good spacing, and yeah, if I could have built a planter, it probably would have looked something like this. So that's why we ended up bringing it home. Plus the price was right. One of those you couldn't pass up. But been working, trying to make improvements. Running a progressive strip till bar right now with a Montag dry fertilizer box. Not real impressed with the units on it from Progressive. I call them a glorified anhydrous shank, and so we ended up putting some Remlinger row units on it. I like the parallel arm feature. I'm more into the fertilizer placement than I am so much the tillage, and so I like the parallel arms to maintain your consistent fertilizer placement, and just the adjustability of it. It's got floating trash whippers that you can do a little bit of adjustment on it. The closing discs you can adjust in or out, or how much down pressure you want on them to get the berm built up just how you want. So that's why we went with the Remlinger units, and been very happy. Bought them used, but been very happy with them, and the bar's been working out really well. It's been doing what we want. Some improvements we'll make. I would probably be trying to split the dry fertilizer box to be able to vary the rate on each side, or even just half width disconnect. Same thing with the anhydrous on it, just to be more efficient in the field, not do so much overlap, just to improve our efficiencies and look at variable rate, the fertilizer be able variable rate on planting with the Graham drives. We're also looking this came with liquid setup on it in furrow that we may be trying some next spring. We got it going in time that we didn't take the time to mess with the liquid on this one, but do some of that. We're looking to do some side dress. We've got a nitrogen bar for our self-propelled sprayer. Just do some side dress, and just trying to be more efficient with fertilizer placement and timing, to make it as efficient and useful as possible.